The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. Day after day they pour forth speech. Night after night they display knowledge. Psalms 19 verses 1 and 2. God created Adam and Eve in his own image. What could be a more perfect inheritance? He then placed them in the Garden of Eden. What could be a more perfect setting? Both heredity and environment then were divinely balanced to produce and preserve perfect mental and physical health. Sin, however, ruined everything, and by the second generation, jealousy, hatred, and violence contaminated the world. The natural environment also underwent the initial result of sin, and when sin became intolerable, the flood changed forever the portrait of the earth. Yet, much goodness and beauty remain in the natural world. Nature still supplies sufficient resources to satisfy our basic needs. Nature also can provide joy, happiness, and well-being to compensate partially for the misery caused by sin. Thus, despite its sometimes violent and deadly convulsions, nature can be a source of mental and physical health. It also can become a means for us to draw ever closer to the Creator, the fount of all goodness. Every good gift and every perfect gift is from above, and cometh down from the Father of lights. James 1, verse 17.